So, welcome, Avi. Thanks for being with us and giving your time to do this podcast.
Okay, Sharon. Hi, Sharon. Actually, glad that you are invited me for your podcast. And I'm Abinaya, and so I'm working as a service delivery analyst at FIS Global with a passion for big data.
Mm-hmm.
I'm actively exploring and enhancing my skills in big data analytics, and I also contribute to the tech community as an Women Tech Global Ambassador.
Okay.
Beyond my professional, I share insights on self development through my blogs, aiming to inspire and empower others.
Mm-hmm. That's really
Yeah.
wonderful, Abhi. You have been doing so many things, and you already have 3K followers on LinkedIn, and I have seen all your posts and everything. Like, like our podcast name says, right? Data is a new oil. Yes.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
can you explain like what is data in a very core set? Like most of us have a very different meaning for data, right? Yes. What does data actually means to you?
Okay. I love the way you created the poster. Data is the new oil. Okay, it is a phrase by Humphrey, and I can break down the data is the new oil in various terms. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
like oil, data is abundant and often exists in raw and unrefined state. In
Okay.
the digital landscape, immense amount of data are generated daily through various social platform activities from online transactions to social media interaction.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oil, if you think about the oil needs to be extracted from the earth. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Likewise, data is collected from various resources, including
Okay.
online interactions and
Mm-hmm.
transactions.
Mm-hmm.
And you can think oil undergoes a refining process to extract valuable products like diesel and all.
Absolutely.
Likewise, raw data needs to be processed and analyzed to extract meaningful insights, which can
Mm-hmm.
inform like decision making and strategy.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and also the if we come to economic value, oil has been a crucial economic resource in every country.
Mm-hmm.
Likewise, in digital era, we can say data fuels innovation, business strategy, and technical advancement,
Mm-hmm.
playing a vital role in economic growth.
Okay.
Okay.
I understand.
If you think about strategic importance, like oil resource, historical being a social of geographical power. Like organization effectively analyze data in a competitive edge and also making a decision in strategic asset. I can say it is driving a strategic decision in every organization.
Okay. I understand.
Likewise, you pinged me for the podcast. How you pinged me for the podcast? Like I actually have a data in LinkedIn, so you
Mm-hmm.
pinged me for the podcast.
Yeah.
Likewise, the data is a new oil. I can say.
Mm-hmm. So that's really interesting. Like data has been driven because you see, World War One and Two is completely fought with men. Yes, but if it's going to be World War Three, it's all going to be having a war between data, right? Because now the global our my data is globally available. Who I am, what I like, what I don't like, and
Yeah,
etc.
yeah.
Yes, and how this data has been stored, and you are a data analyst and you are a data engineer also, right, in the backend. Like, what is the how is this data has been processed, or what happens to data once the moment I enter my informations to it?
Let me give one real-time example. Okay,
Hmm.
let us assume one person is ordering pizza in Zomato application. Okay,
Okay.
the
Hmm.
data is coming from the user and stored in the database. Okay, the online transactional process. It is like we are if we give any information in our app, it is going to store it in somewhere. That is database. You can
Okay.
assume. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, how the Zomato guy knows the detail of the user for delivery, or one guy is going to deliver. Okay, if I
Hmm.
supposed to deliver the food for one of the person, I
Hmm.
should know the information about the person who ordered the food.
Absolutely.
Okay,
Yeah.
here comes the data pipeline into the picture. The details stored in the database and the ETL pipeline going to extract, process, and loading the necessary information from database and loading into the data warehouse,
Okay.
and then it is going to show the user information to the Zomato guide. Only the necessary information, not apart from the personal information like mail ID and all. Only the location and
Mm-hmm.
the food he ordered.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
That's how the data is processing in the back end.
Okay. I understand.
Mm.
So,
Mm.
if you can see, now data is can be manipulated like anything, right? For example, if we are talking about getting an, let's say, a mobile. Immediately, I can see a Flipkart ad or Amazon ad in my mobiles regarding the mobiles, getting the offers and everything. Yes. Is my device and is everything safe from data piracy, or should I take care of my data in a very different way?
I can say before data privacy how it works.
Mm-hmm.
If you take an example, you are subscribing a YouTube channel. I am subscribing your YouTube channel means
Mm-hmm.
I will subscribe and turn on the bell icon, right?
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, so you are getting an alert message every time when a video is uploading from your channel. It is
Mm-hmm.
one data pipeline. It will be designed as whenever the YouTube channel is giving out video, you
Yeah.
should give alert to certain users who have subscribed with the bell icon. This
Absolutely.
is
Yeah.
how the data pipeline works in the background. It is
Mm-hmm.
giving out a alert whenever the YouTube channel is uploading video or shorts, whatever it is. It
Mm-hmm.
will send the notification to specific user. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This is how the data pipeline, the data engineer works on. We
Mm-hmm.
can say like there are two types of data engineer. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
data engineer and big data engineer. Now there are two types of terms are coined widely.
Okay.
So if I say, imagine a librarian. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay, the data engineer is like a librarian who organizes the books in the particular library.
Okay.
They handle the structure and storage of the information in that only one library. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
if we see about big data engineer, they will manage and manage the storage of the books information
Mm-hmm.
across multiple libraries.
Okay, I understand. Mm-hmm. They
Yeah,
have the
data
key for
engineer
every rack and
mm,
rows. Yes.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Data engineer manages in the smaller scale. Big data engineers manages in the large scale. That's the minute difference between data engineer and big data engineer.
Okay.
Mm, okay.
So how far the future of this data engineers or data analysts in India particularly, and because most probably people will go and fall inside this civil engineering, mechanical engineering, and electrical engineering, right? Like what it
Mm.
takes to become a data analyst actually. What are the courses they should complete?
Okay, if we come for data engineer, the fundamentals, one basic, okay, one layman is going to start the data engineering. Means
Mm-hmm.
he or she should be strong in fundamentals of SQL, Python, Linux commands,
Mm-hmm.
and then they can go for the core concepts of data warehousing and data lakes, how it is extracting, transforming, and loading. Okay,
Okay.
how it is the data is processing. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
they can go for any one of the cloud technology like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform is there. Okay, they can choose any one of the cloud and go for it. And
Mm-hmm.
also streaming of data. If we see that streaming of data means it is all about live data, how it is processing. I gave the example of Zomato, right? So likewise, they have to understand the streaming of data.
Okay.
So
Okay.
these are the things. Only first of all, they should be strong in Python, Linux command, and SQL. So if it is strong, means we can understand the programming of data engineer well.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay. So uh, what is just out of curiosity, what will be the starting package if they are starting like in a industry, right? Because any engineer who's going outside for IT will be getting around 25,000 to 30,000. Yes,
yeah.
per month. Like, is there any no, the data people will be getting more than this, and it has
Mm,
a very huge future like that. Anything?
yeah. It is having a huge future only. I can say the starting package will be about 5 to 6 LPA, and based upon our knowledge and our skills, it can grow. Okay, how we are working on the project and
Mm-hmm.
how we are working for the company, and how we are developing our skills in the particular domain. Okay,
Absolutely.
it's all about so if we take software, there are multiple technologies available throughout the like IT. Okay, if
Mm-hmm.
we choose data engineer, and in that we choose big data engineer, it's a niche. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it's a niche. You are specialized in a particular domain. Okay,
Okay.
there are many domains available: DevOps, like data engineer, AI, and the things are growing, right? Many technological technologies are coming up. We should opt for it. I
Okay.
can say.
Okay. Fine. So, one last question. Like, nowadays, we can't escape from this data, putting my data inside the global networks, right? Like, is there anything where I need to take care of, like, safeguarding my data, or I should not go and put this data here? Or is there any one or two ways where I can save my data? Is there any way to do
Okay.
that?
Ensuring data privacy while we all are doing personal branding on particular niche in social media. Okay.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So ensuring data privacy while engaging in personal branding is crucial. Okay.
Okay.
We can do review the privacy settings regularly, check the privacy setting on different social media platforms, and we can limit who can see your personal information and post and contact details you have given.
Mm-hmm.
And we should be aware and mindful of personal details. Share personal details selectively. You can't go and give personal details like where you are living, where how which number you are using, which address you are living in, into everyone. Okay, you only share those information to,
Mm-hmm.
if and I can say, like, only share the particular your personal information those who are trusted. Okay.
I understand. So even the
Yeah.
trusted links or media should not be easily put it out everywhere, right? That is very important.
Yes,
Mm.
and you can regularly check your friends and followers in Instagram and LinkedIn, because remove and block the accounts if you seems it is suspicious or make you are not comfortable with them. Okay, and
Mm-mm-mm.
also control tagging and mention manage in LinkedIn. Also, we can manage who can able to tag you in posts and photos, right? Set up the notification for tags and mention to monitor your online presence.
Mm.
And regularly we can Google ourselves also. Okay,
Okay.
We regularly Google ourselves on your name to see what information is publicly available to you. This helps you
Mm.
to maintain control over the online image. Okay,
Absolutely. Yeah.
and
Mm.
also, I can say, consider a professional email address. Okay, instead of
Mm.
giving your personal email address in
Mm.
professional, whatever professional or social platform it is, create a
Mhm.
separate email address for it to keep your personal and work communications separate.
Okay.
I can say.
Well, we don't distinguish it, right? We will be always giving our personal email IDs everywhere.
Yeah, yeah,
Mm.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So that's really
That's it.
interesting because
That.
nowadays the data has been used as a threat to the society, right? Where they are using it against the people. Yeah, they're manipulating the things. Okay, that will really be helpful. And is there any like courses, like after maybe who have completed the engineering, is there any courses where they can do to learn this data analyst or become a data miner kind of things?
I can say people can go for the masters, and if they are comfortable and they are able to pay for it. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
So, and we can do the self learning. Okay. Data is everywhere. That is the term, right? Okay. In digital era, data is everywhere and you can learn it in any form. Okay. YouTube is there.
Absolutely.
I can
Hmm.
say data engineering. For data engineering completely, I can go for Gautam SP YouTube channel that is available on Tamil and English also. You can go for it from basic to advanced level, and also how to crack interview. and
Okay.
Darshil Parmar YouTube channel, like Darshil Parmar YouTube channel, it is there. So
Mm-hmm.
he is giving out free data engineering projects, data analytics projects,
Mm-hmm.
and also if you are comfortable to pay for anything, so soon
Mm-hmm.
tell one YouTube, like one not YouTube channel, one course is there. So it is like a complete big data with the cloud is available, and big data analytics. You can go for it in the short term, 3 to 4 months. You can complete the entire course, and you can understand the details.
Okay.
Whatever it is paid or free, you should analyze the terms and core
Mm-hmm.
concept of data. Okay, because everything is vast topic. If you go to niche,
I understand.
if you go for data analytics, data
Mm.
engineer, or data scientist, everything is wide. You can specialize in one each of the not you want to specialize in each of the topic. Okay, you
Okay.
if you read one topic, you should be fully comfortable, and you can able to answer for those topics. Okay, I can say
That's
that.
really important. So thanks for sharing all your experiences and expertise in this in this data analytics, Abhinaya, and we really appreciate it and hope this help people to know what is what in data analytics or in engineering. And thank you once again from the viewers and the subscribers of Aurora Academy to spend your wonderful time with us, and hope you do lots of things like this. And we're going to meet in another podcast in the future where we are going to talk about more. I hope so. Thanks for being here, Abhinaya.
And thanks for giving me this opportunity. We will catch up soon.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.